From our gym, we went sidilu mallikarjuna betta trekking. The first thing we did was having a nice breakfast. After relaxing a bit, we started. The weather was so good, cloudy and very windy. About 75% into the trek, I reached a beautiful viewpoint. My trek. Sidilu mallikarjunaswamy temple is located on the top of the hill of the same name. This is my trainer, Ebo, a nice guy, and also a chance to learn about the art. Visiting the Golden Temple, a Buddhist monastery in Bailguppe, was not part of our. He is the Mysore Dasara's lead elephant.